Alright guys, we're back. We're taking a look at Z1's Forged Street Big Brake Kit. This kit looks a little familiar. Modeled after one of the most popular OEM products that we've adapted for brake kits for 350, 370, G35, G37, Q50, Q60. I think we've got them on FXs, Jukes, even some trucks. We got front kits for Frontier, Xterra, and Pathfinder. That is a lot of fitments, and I'm certain more to come because I've seen them on Ultima, Maxima. We're gonna make it work all around. So, very popular kit, popular for a handful of reasons. Back when we launched this in 09, we did it because we thought, wow, great kit, good value. We can put a package together to give big brake kits out to the masses. We made brackets to adapt them to 350 and similar architecture vehicles. Same thing for 300. We made kits specifically for that. We were like the first, I think, to do it. And it's been very popular since. Over the past couple years, been a bit more difficult on supply chain issues. They've added core charges in some places. The prices on calipers have gone up and up. And supply has at times been difficult. It's not the way we like it. So just like many things decided, let's just steer our own destiny here. We can keep offering the OE kits available, but if you're looking for an improvement, that's what you got. And that's actually my favorite part about the kit. It's all about the caliper. Right off the rip, you get vibrant finishes. You can get this awesome red, killer yellow, you get this black, high luster, looks really sharp. You get a DBOSS logo punched into these with that contrast white. It's super high end. I mean, it's really nice. They are forged, so from a density perspective, they're more rigid than the cast variant. What that means is that at the extremes, when you're pushing them hard and they got a lot of pressure there, if you ever watch close on a brake, you see somebody really standing on it, you'll see it load up and move on a car. You see that less with these, and in a feedback thing for the driver, it's gonna be crisper, more consistent performance. They're built to OE specs, so you can use OE rebuild kits on them, which is really nice. You can use OE style pads, really nice. OE style rotors, really nice. Since they are tougher and higher density, one of the most common issues we see with the factory style is that some end users, they get a little aggressive on the bolt, or they use one that's too long. The long thing, we haven't solved that for you, but if they use a little bit too much force, they rip the threads out of this, turn these into a boat anchor. That's kind of unfortunate. Not really a safe mod to repair that. You just throw it away, buy a new caliper. This is quite a bit more than a red variant from Z1 or yellow forged one. So you can upgrade a more rigid product for less. Yes. Also, compare here, you get a two-stage finish on these, so much more corrosion resistant and a little tougher where it matters. Not just in that point where you put the line in, but also on the footing where you have a pad that shouldn't really be loaded here. It's carrying some load on these pins, but sometimes we see, you get impressions from a pad backing plate as high torque usage occurs. With our hard anno, you get a surface finish there that remains tougher than the factory raw finish. So that's a benefit, and more corrosion resistance all around, as well as good adhesion for our stage of powder coat. So you got it, folks. Very similar fitted kit like you're used to. You get improved finishes, same kind of options of support on the repair parts, pads, rotors, lines, everything you name it. You can rebuild them, easy mode. Save some money, improve the look, improve your performance, and check out these Street Big Brake kits today.